Better ideas make the world go round. Advances in medicine have assured a greater quality of life for everyone. Our hospitals are saving lives like never before. In the wake of these advances has come a whole new challenge. How do we handle the millions of pounds of regulated medical waste that is being produced every day? The methods of the past do not work in an energy and environmentally conscious world. Incinerators can no longer pollute our air. Steam has proven to be a costly and erratic method, filling the air with a nauseating aroma, exposing workers to excessive heat and the danger of steam under pressure. It doesn't matter what color the bag is. Steam is a dangerous and messy business, and there is a dwindling confidence that this method is totally effective. The liability and cost of hauling regulated medical waste is spiraling upward at an alarming rate, as fuel surcharges have become a reality. Add to this the environmental and ongoing long-term liability concern, and the conclusion is that this is a method of the past. The technologies of the past cannot take us into the future. Be safe, be sure. Trinova Medical Waste Solutions has a better idea in the treatment of regulated medical waste. The secret is chlorine dioxide. Trinova Medical Waste Solutions is using the same tested technology that is a staple of the nation's fruit growers and municipal water treatment facilities. And just think, now there is a solution that takes into account the human factor, treating both regulated and non-regulated waste with the same efficiency. The Trinova Medical Waste Solution is ready to deal with all regulated medical waste, even when the human factor comes into play. How does the Trinova Medical Waste Solution work?
Trinova is a provider of a novel on-site medical waste treatment system utilizing chlorine dioxide. Why chlorine dioxide? High solubility. Can penetrate barriers other disinfectants cannot. ClO2 is the only chemical that eliminates and disinfects anthrax. Safe to humans. Used in industries such as food processing plants, municipal drinking water, agriculture, sanitation, and medical industry. Environmentally friendly. Can be disposed through a sanitary sewer. All medical waste as defined by state and federal agencies, including sharps, suction canisters, glass, bandages, swabs, trace chemo, and biohazardous waste, is suitable for treatment. Our safe and effective shredding method reduces the volume of medical waste by 80%, while chemically treating the waste to render it non-hazardous and toxic-free so it can be disposed of as normal garbage, from hospital compactor to landfill refuse with no offensive odors. The operator receives hospital waste containers and places the containers onto the lift, then pushes the start button. The container is automatically weighed and scanned for radioactive waste. The container with medical waste is lifted and emptied into the hopper. The empty container is lowered to the start position and the hopper lid closes. The medical waste is shredded into confetti-like particles, reducing the bulk by 80%. The waste particles fall into the treatment tank located below the shredder. At the same time, the tank is filled with chlorine dioxide solution. The combination of waste and chlorine dioxide is pumped into a coil reservoir. Here the waste remains submerged for the necessary treatment cycle. The length of the coil reservoir allows for additional loads to be processed in sequence. This continuous cycle assures proper disinfection. The waste is then pumped to a dewatering filtering station where it is compressed, dewatered, and conveyed to a local compactor or trash container. All sharps are completely granulated, no longer a risk to hospitals or operators. There are no harmful byproducts, odors, or hazardous emissions. The filtered chlorine dioxide liquid is then pumped into the main tank for recycling. All system parameters are recorded for convenient waste tracking and to ensure process control.
Unlike traditional methods of the past, Trinova technology can go mobile with on-site processing at multiple facilities. Trinova Medical Waste Solutions, making the world a better place. Be safe, be sure.